Fresh boiled shrimp, it's a favorite of mine. I grew up in Savannah, Georgia. My dad had a marina, and right next door is where all the shrimp boats would come in, and we would get shrimp fresh off the boat. What Mark and I do is go to the farmer's market downtown. Someone brings shrimp from the coast, and we buy it fresh from him. So I'm going to show you how we boil it and also how we make our cocktail sauce. So what I've done is put water to boil, and to that, we add a can of beer. It can be any beer, doesn't have to be the most expensive. It's just for flavor. And in case you haven't guessed, we do this a lot. So we have a huge container of shrimp boil, and I'm using about 1/4 cup. Depends upon how much flavor you like on the shrimp. And I'm adding that to the water. And it has started to boil. This is about 1 pound of shrimp, and one of the keys to this is to make sure the water is boiling when you put it in, and also you need to time it for 3 minutes. That's it, it's perfect. Gonna give it a few minutes to get to a boil. And as it's doing that, what I'm gonna do is also show you how to make our cocktail sauce. So, I'm gonna add ketchup. We've done a lot of other things with this shrimp. We have put it on the barbecue, we've sauteed it, but boiled shrimp, that's just what I grew up with, so that's what we're gonna do here. Growing up, what I used to do is just do ketchup and horseradish. So just to give it some heat, there you go. But my friend Suzanne, who lived on the water in Savannah, and they have a recipe they do Lee and Perrin's Worcestershire sauce. Use about 1/4 of a lemon, and I do it in this just to catch the seeds, so we get lemon juice, fresh lemon juice, and then a few squirts of Tabasco sauce. You can taste this and flavor it to what you like, so I'm gonna do this. That's it, how simple is that? Flavor it to whatever you like, that's just how we make it. Okay, it is at a rolling boil, so I am putting the shrimp in. Setting my timer for 3 minutes. You smell the shrimp? The shrimp has started floating to the top. Many times that's how people tell it is ready. The timer just went off. Yeah, we're gonna have shrimp tonight. Gonna now take it and pour it into the colander. How easy was that? You can either eat this hot right out of the shrimp boil, or you can put ice on it, then put it in the refrigerator, save it so that you have a cold shrimp cocktail later. That's what we do many times, especially in the summer. I want to show you an easy way to peel a shrimp. You hold the shrimp, push the tail, and look, it comes off so easily. Flip it over, peel it apart, and it's done. Easy as can be. Don't struggle eating your shrimp. Enjoy, hope you have fun.